Hi everyone, I'm Billy, a community officer at Surrey Wildlife Trust, and I'm here today at Camberley Mosque as part of the Nextdoor Nature project. I'm here to speak with Surrey Minority Ethnic Forum's Women of Surrey group about how they feel about the green spaces in their local area and how they can improve them for nature.
My plants, they are like family to me. I love them.
It gives me life, it gives all of us life, because without the nature, we cannot exist.
If we don't look after the nature, we don't respect the nature not going to respect us.
Our funding is through green social prescribing and a lot to do with nature, connecting the well-being to nature.
It's peace, fresh. When you actually sit underneath a tree, it gets you to think a lot of stuff.
And we hope that we can do something for the local area as a group and as a community.